With digital marketing being now more affordable, flexible, and easier to automate than ever, we can't ignore the opportunities it holds to help you grow your business. On average, with every pound spent on Google Ads, businesses can get back £2 in terms of revenue. These are huge stats, and we can understand the real power that's behind digital marketing. Mobile searches have overtaken desktop searches, and what we're now seeing is that over 40% of people actually only search on mobile. It's a massive change from what we're used to, and it massively influences how and where we target our customers. Digital marketing can take many forms, from devices to media to data sets, and all the tools that are out there to help you get the right marketing mix for you. But with so many out there, it can really get your head in a spin. Don't panic. Let's go back to basics. Which are the tools that can build together to help you build that perfect marketing mix? To find this out, we have to start with our customers. It's really important to understand the digital tools available to target the right customer at the right time in the right place. Before you get started, you got to look at what really matters: your customers. You might think about going down the search marketing route and try to engage a conversation with your customers, really driving action from that emotive experience. You might choose search advertising, which focuses on trying to get the customers when they're that far down the purchasing funnel. Or perhaps even display advertising, which helps you really focus on getting the right target demographic and building that brand awareness. Whether you're a business owner trying to keep on top of your digital marketing, or a marketeer looking to level up and improve your skill set, this is the opportunity to set yourself apart from the rest and take hold of some of the digital marketing tools and techniques that help you boost your marketing skills. We have a range of courses that help you get to grips with everything from Google Ads to SEO to even automating your email campaigns. Get in touch with us.